Hey everybody, this is Josh from J4 Paintball. This is our PAT polished aluminum tube barrel kit. This comes, of course, in a nice J4 camo soft case, and the soft case rolls up. Nice neoprene outside and nice terry cloth inside. This is the same terry cloth that goes against your skin if you were getting headbands. So really nice soft material for your barrels. Keep them cozy in here. We have a very simple, just under 14-inch, 350 millimeter long barrel. And these are just a full control barrel, so they have nearly a complete full bore, or full control bore. We put the porting here, quite a few ports right at the end. We wanted to be able to accelerate all 10 inches down here in case you are the overboring type who like to run a longer control bore. This should allow you to still be fairly efficient without porting too far down the barrel. In addition to that, we took a little weight off the back. We have the sizes here, 677, 681, 685, and 689 sizes. The tip, we put in something we called the core relief drilling, and the CDR is kind of a really fun joke, but it's just really a little cut on the inside of the barrel. So as you use it throughout the years and you pound it against things like trees and ground and the dirt, the relief allows for a bit of things to happen and occur here, and your ball will always still release on the inside edge. Beyond that, we kept it very simple and clean, and this is just a basic barrel. Come off the same machines as a lot of other manufacturers do, but not a lot of manufacturers had something that was just simple and clean and easy to put on just about any marker. This will look good on a lot of your classic guns. This will look good on a lot of the clean designs and stuff like that. It's not a space gun barrel. This is our SS type boring, so it's going to be very clean. The outside is only 0.8 in diameter, and with the 671 inside, this is 677 inside. This is going to be very lightweight, and it feels really good on the tip of the gun without all that weight at the front. Beyond that, it's just clean. We want you to be able to use on your sponsorships. Want to be able to highlight your gun and your marker more than highlight the special flaring or design on here and our special gun. I'm way past the egg stage, and nobody really puts out a clean barrel like this. Beyond that, you just have a simple, clean machine barrel that comes off the same machines, actually, as many of the other barrels on the market. I can tell you several of the barrels that come on the market come off the exact same machines, exact same polishing reamer goes through them. The difference is we're offering this whole kit for full barrels for what you pay for really one barrel in one case. This is $160 for the whole set. So if you have any questions, please ask us on the site. But it's really simple and basic. There shouldn't be too much to that. Nice case, 4 barrels, and $160. There you go. And of course, you can always go to j4paintball.com and get one for yourself.